Today, we're making two vibrant Mediterranean cod dishes. Expect a medley of tasty ingredients and colors like tomatoes, olives, artichokes, spinach, and much more. The best part, these recipes are budget friendly, ready in 30 minutes or less, and ideal for seniors or beginners. You can finally say goodbye to dried out bland cod and cooking with unhealthy trans fat. Okay, now let's get started with our first recipe. For both of today's dishes, I'm using thawed frozen cod. This is a super convenient and budget friendly choice, but there is a crucial tip. Make sure to pat those fillets really dry with some paper towels. This step is a key for getting that perfect tender texture and helping them absorb all those amazing flavors. For our first dish, we're making a cod pasta. I'm using wheat spaghetti because it's a great healthy option, but you can use any type of pasta you prefer. This vibrant pasta packed with wholesome ingredients yields approximately 4 servings. For each serving, you are looking at roughly 360 to 380 calories, making it a fantastic and balanced meal, under 400 calories. All right, let's dive into second recipe, a hearty Mediterranean cod stew with chickpeas and spinach. This is another one-pan wonder packed with tender fish, fiber-rich chickpeas, and vibrant greens for a truly comforting and easy meal. This rich and comforting cod stew yields about 3 generous, satisfying servings. Each healthy bowl contains roughly 380 to 390 calories, again under 400, making it a wonderfully nutritious and fulfilling meal. So, just to recap, both dishes offered great nutritional benefits. They provided heart healthy omega 3 and antioxidants, lean protein, fiber for gut health, and essential vitamins. Both are easy, budget friendly, ready in no time, and cooked without frying or trans fats. Well, I hope you enjoyed both of these two Mediterranean cod recipes. If so, please like and subscribe for more tasty videos. You'll find both recipes and links to some of my favorite kitchen goods in the description below. And if you're hungry for more, please check out my other videos for more ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and look out for my next video on some great summer salads that you won't want to miss. Until then, stay healthy and take care.